Fifth grade Shurley method, page 50, part 2. Okay, so yesterday we did exercise 4 and then we did 1 through 7 of exercise 5. Today we're going to finish off exercise 5 and do exercise 6. And remember, we decide what verb choice helps complete the sentence, and then by using that verb choice, then we decide if it has a direct object or it doesn't have a direct object. Okay? All right, so number 8, if you fall sick, you lie down for a while. So lie, if I go up here and I look, it has what? No direct object. I laid, okay, so I'm going to circle laid. The car key is on the shelf. If I go up here and I look for laid, it says it has what? A direct object. He had lain by the brook for a short break. What does it tell me if I go up here and look for it? No direct object, right? She had laid your clothes on the bed. If I go up here, what does it tell me? Direct object. You have laid that towel on a hot burner. Once again, it would be what? Direct object. The girls lay on the beach all summer. So if I go up here and find it, no direct object. Lay right here goes up. Well, okay. All right. Hold on. Now we have to pay attention because lay has either both no direct object or a direct object. Okay. So basically, and see it's right here too. So we have to decide, does it mean to rest in a reclining position or does it mean to lay something down? No, it's a resting position. So then that means what? No direct object. Okay, next one. My chicken lays an egg for me every day. Now, once again, we have to go back and decide which one it means, which one doesn't mean. To put something down. So that means that one has a direct object, right? Okay. I rose the windows. Raised the windows this morning. Go and look up there. What does it mean? Does it have or not have a direct object? It has one. So direct object. I hope her temperature doesn't rise during the night. What is that? Okay. The archaeologists raised the lid very carefully. Direct object. Okay. Whoops. All right, the star has risen in fame and fortune. No direct object. The crowd will rise to their feet. Which one? Okay. The level of the creek will. Oh, sorry, I skipped one. I what? Raised the banner with pride. What's that one? Direct object. And then the level of the creek will rise if it rains. No direct object. Okay. Exercise 6. Underline the correct verb choice in parentheses. Use the chart below to help you. Okay. Now, also, I would like you to circle it. It's easier for me to see. Okay. So, blank, I go to the bathroom. May. Because you don't use can because it's not an ability of, right? Blank, you really do 50 push-ups. Can. That's an ability, right? She taught, and one that also grammatically sounds better, right? Us to speak French. Will you ever learn? And once again, that grammatically also sounds better. Blank, media magazine. Okay, now why is it not take me a magazine? Okay, because the movement is coming towards you, right? Okay, if it was going away from you, then you would use take. But if it's coming towards you, you use bring. Please take that dog outside. Okay, so since these were new, we did them all together. So I just need them turned in so I can give you credit for them. Okay, but so no homework on here.